I will be very fast. So if I'm too fast, you can pause the video and watch gradually. Now, BoostPal is a paid video impression platform that allows buyers of digital advertising inventory to manage multiple ad exchange and data exchange accounts through one interface and on a pay per impression model. This is just grammar. It simply means it's a platform that advertises videos for people. People pay them to advertise video for them, and for you to get paid as a member of BoostPal, you have to complete one impression of a video. And what do they mean by one impression of a video? Just click the video, watch it for 30 seconds. That is one impression. Very simple. So when I say 30 seconds, I actually meant 30 seconds. Now, how much can you earn per video? No, how much you earn in BoostPal depends on the number of video impressions you complete in a day. You understand? It depends on the number of videos you watch in a day, and for you to watch that video, a certain number of videos depends on the package you belong. We have the free package and we have the paid package, okay, which I'm going to explain. So it depends on the number of videos you watch, but irrespective of the package you belong to, each video you watch for 30 seconds is 40 cents. Each video you watch for 30 seconds is 40 cents. And if you refer people, each video they watch, you earn 25% of whatever they watch, which is 10 cents. Okay, that is how it works. So if any of your downline, now let's say for instance, when I say 25%, I mean, for instance, if any of your downline is earning this amount, okay, over $1,000 monthly from just watching videos alone, that means you will be earning $267 from that person, in addition to what you are earning already. So let's say if you have more than one downlines earning this, that means a lot of money for you. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. Now there are 6 levels, 6 packages. We have the learner member, which is the free package. Every free member have only 2 videos. You can watch only 2 videos. Okay, we have the premium beginner, we have the premium expert, we have the premium pro, we have the platinum plus, and we have the gold edition. So withdrawals are made twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays, and the minimum payout is $15 or 5,000 naira plus. Okay, that is their rule. Very good, very simple. Now let's go from the beginning. You have the learner member, which is the free membership. You have only 2 videos. Remember, each video you watch is 40 cents or 145 naira 20 kobo. Okay, so if you are watching 2 videos a day as a free member, it means you are earning 80 cents a day. It means you are earning 290 naira 40 kobo daily. Okay, if the people you refer are free members, you will not earn commission from them unless they upgrade. I mean, the people you refer, if they are free members, you will not earn commission from them. Now, as a free member, it means that on monthly basis you are earning $24, which is over 8,000 naira. Okay, but this is for just people that are not ready to make money. Okay, this $24 I'm talking about, it's just for people that are not ready to make money. What will it take you to upgrade to paid membership? Very simple. Only $30 thereabouts, depending on transaction fee and Bitcoin rising. Okay, but it's $32 thereabouts. Okay, now if you are a paid member, you join with $30 or 10,890 naira. You will be watching 4 videos every day. Irrespective of the package, each video you watch is 40 cents or 145 naira 20 kobo. So if you are watching 4 videos, it means this times 4, it will give a total of this or a total of this daily basis. And in a month, this is what you'll be making in a month: $48 or over 17,000 naira in a month as a paid member. Okay, in a month as a paid member. I'm talking about only watching videos. I'm not talking about the referral commission, because the referral commission, you are earning 10 cents on your referral depending on the number of videos watched by your downline. So depending on the package they are, So calculate the number of videos in the package they are times this. That is what you'll be making from their commission. But this amount does not include referrals. I'm saying this emphatically for those that do not like referral programs. So this amount you see here didn't take account of your referral earnings. It took account of only you watching your 30-second video. Okay, and that is how I'm going to explain other packages. All the total is only watching videos. Referrals are not inclusive. Then if you add referral, you can imagine how much you'll be making on a daily basis. So you don't need to refer. Just watch the video. The next package is a premium expert. You have 10 videos daily. You can see the calculations yourself. Over $120 monthly, over 43,000 naira monthly, without even considering referral commissions are not included, remember. But this is what you are earning on monthly basis. Okay, the next one, Premium Pro, you will be having 22 videos daily, and the total you'll be earning monthly is over $200, $264. Okay, that's about 95,000 naira monthly. Could you imagine? Just by watching 30-second video, just 30 seconds. The video may be longer than 30 seconds. Okay, the video may be longer than 30 seconds, but so long as you watch, you keep watching that video for 30 seconds, you'll be paid. You can then pause the video and go to the next video. That is how simple it is. This is the next fee, over $468 monthly, and over 169,000 naira. Could you imagine that? And you have 39 videos daily. Okay, remember the referral earnings are not even included. So imagine your downline is also earning like this, because they are, let's say your downline is also in this package and they are watching 39 videos and they are earning this monthly. You know how much you are getting, 25% of this. So that's a lot of money. The last one is the gold edition. You have 89 videos daily and a total of $1,068 on monthly basis, and that's over 387,000 naira monthly, only by watching videos, no referrals. I'm very emphatic of this because of those that are afraid of referral programs. No referrals. Just open, watch the video 30 seconds. You don't like the video, just wait after 30 seconds, you off it, go to the next video. This is what you'll be earning monthly. How many people are earning this? Okay, then imagine what you will be earning from your commissions if you are doing referral, if you are referring people. Let's say you have 10, 20, 30, 40 referrals in this package or other lesser packages. Imagine how much you'll be earning. You can earn over $20,000 monthly. You can earn over $3,000 depending on the number of downlines you have. But if you don't want to do anything with downline, it's okay. Just log in, watch the video. So that being said, the upgrading fees are very easy, very simple. The good thing about this program is that when upgrading from one stage to another, you just have to pay only the difference. For example, moving from the $30 package to the $72 package, you just have to pay only the difference of 42, not 72. It's not that you joined with $30 and then you want to go to the next package, you pay another $72. No, you pay the difference between the